Good morning, everybody. It's Lisa Seattle from Daily Lifestyle Coaching. I wanted to come on this morning and give you a new breakfast hour idea. And it's to power your breakfast so that we try to get out of different routines that we've been stuck in for ages. And if you're looking to make this a new year, new you, this is one of the tips that I am going to share with you so that you might be able to change some old habits into some new habits and try to get that morning start where it powers you versus make you feel sluggish. We get in so many different habits that we just fall into and we don't even think about them anymore. So this is empowered women, empowering women. And so I'm going to empower you this morning with a great breakfast idea. So first in my mug, I have some green tea that I made. And everybody knows the benefits of green tea. We should all try to use them. But even if you have your morning cup of coffee, that's okay too. But what I found is Vital Proteins Collagen Creamer. So instead of using milk or a creamer, or even, there are some good coconut creamers out there and almond creamers that are good. But this is so easy to carry with you. And a lot of times when you go out for a coffee or a tea, they don't have the kind of creamer that you want. So this is a great creamer. This is a mocha creamer, and it has 5 grams of collagen in it. It's great for skin, hair, and nail and joint support. And it's also made with coconut milk. And this little package is great to carry with you. So what I did is I made my tea, and I poured it into my bullet, and I poured this in for my creamer. But here's the kicker. I added a scoop of my Trim Shake, doTERRA's Trim Shake chocolate protein. Okay, you can use vanilla, you can use chocolate. In the morning, I usually prefer chocolate. And so that's a great way. If you love your Starbucks or your Dunkin' Donuts or whatever coffee shop you visit and you like all of those creamy cafe au laits, cappuccinos, all of those coffees that have, 450 and more calories to them and lots of fats and lots of sugars in them, this is a great alternative, because once you take the tea or the coffee, add the collagen protein and add your scoop of chocolate Trim Shake protein, ooh, it's really good. You blend that baby up and you have this frothy cafe, mocha, whatever kind of coffee or tea to drink in the morning, and that's going to satisfy your craving for that sugary drink that you would otherwise get. So definitely trying that to see if that's something that it's so easy to do. You can have it prepared mostly at night, just having your blender and your protein powder and your collagen powder already in there, and then just make your tea or coffee, pour it in there, blend it up, and boom, you're out the door. So these are just little steps and little things that you can do to change your new year and make it a new you at the same time. One other little tip that I found, and I was in Whole Foods yesterday. I'm always a detective in the grocery store. I want to find out what new products they have, what can benefit me. Hey, honey, how are you? So I found these awesome little muffin revolution, right? And I just tried one and it's awesome. Yam Good. It's made with yams, apples, and pecans. They are grain-free, so this is a paleo type of food that you can eat along with your mocha tea or coffee, and it has only 15 grams of carbs and 10 grams of fat, so that is a great option for you to have with your blended protein coffee or tea. And now you're changing your old habits into some new habits and trying to make some changes in your life. So this is the way that muffin looks. Oh, yum. Again, new year, breakfast power, change your old habits, get into some new habits, new healthier eating, try your tea blended with protein powder and the collagen for that frothy, and switch over from your regular, Latin fold drinks to something that's a lot better for you and a lot healthier. It's about helping you become your daily lifestyle coach. Okay, and so stay tuned. I'll be coming back at you many times with some new important ideas for breakfast, for lunch, for dinners, to help you with stress, to help you build your immune system and all of that. In the meantime, you can go visit me at www.dailylifestylecoach.com. All right, see you again. Take this on and go with it. Bye.